Enjoy the view of this 2020 Toyota Corolla. With less than 70,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. Enjoy a view of this sharp-looking, fuel-efficient Toyota Corolla, the practical-minded yet feature-rich automobile that takes you where you want to go in comfort and style. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: pre-collision system, lane departure warning, keyless entry, backup camera, satellite radio, lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, steering wheel audio controls, Wi-Fi hotspot, Bluetooth connection. Enjoy the efficiency and style this captivating Corolla has to offer. Come in for a test drive. Our team will make it the best part of your day.